So today we are in Winchester, that's in Hampshire, and we have just completed this outdoor transformation. We've done the whole patio, we've done the kitchen, and we've put a new pergola over it. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you through the whole process from start to finish. So when we first arrived on this job, the customers had a patio here already. I can't remember what it was. I think it might have been an Indian sandstone, something like that. There was some walling along here. I think it might have been brickwork. In fact, I think it was some like yellow tumbled style bricks that went all the way around there. They had an old pergola, a timber pergola above here that was kind of rotting away. They did have their sofa over there, but they had all this space here, and they were really keen to have a kitchen built with a shelter over it where they could have dining space and somewhere to sit as well and use all year round. So the first thing that we did was to pull up all of the old patio that was there, and put some type 1 down, compact everything down, and then put this new porcelain tiled patio over the top. Now these tiles are gorgeous. These are 1200mm long by 600mm wide, so they're really long, and we've done this in a brick effect, a brick style, and it just looks incredible. The color of them is beautiful. So it's a light gray color, but it's got darker grays, it's got coppery veins in it as well. It looks really great. So that we've done all the way around. We've actually done it from around the side of the house as well, so it comes all the way around here. We've also cut them down and used these as coping stones on top of the wall here. So you'll see that we've actually rendered everything, all of the wall, to hide the old stuff. We've created a step here as well. I think there was a step over here somewhere before, but actually where the pergola leg is now was where the step was. So we moved the step to here, so it's central to this space here. They are going to have a table. The customer's actually making his own table that's going to be going in here, so that's going to look incredible when that goes on there. So yeah, we've got all the patio tiles here, and then we've rendered the wall there. So obviously the render matches the kitchen here, so we can chat about that now. So this kitchen is a concrete block construction, so it's an L shape. The customer already had the Traeger timberline, which I'll talk about in a minute, but he just wanted somewhere to keep it. So we've got this concrete block construction. We've got a rendered finish. For the worktops on here, this is called steel grey, so this is a dark granite. This is 30mm thick, and what's interesting about this is the way that it's been polished. So when they're polishing this granite, some parts are polished deeper than others, and so when you look across it, it looks almost like there's water on there. It looks like it's wet, but it's not. It's just where some of the bits have been polished at different levels. So here we've got the Beefeater 1600 series, and this is a 3-burner. So where they've got the Traeger over there, great for smoking, slow cooking. This barbecue is great for convenience, coming out, doing a few burgers, bacon, sausages, you know, really quick, really easy. This is a gas barbecue. You've got the flat plate there, you've got the griddle there, and then you've got your 3 burners over there. It's a stainless steel front. There is another version of this, which has got like an anthracite cover there. I mean, the barbecues are exactly the same, there's just a different coloured fascia. This is also available in a 4-burner and a 5-burner version as well. Underneath there we've got 2 stainless steel doors, and that provides access to the underside there, so you keep your gas storage in there. We've got the gas bottle underneath there. Coming along to here, you've got double drawers, same again, great for having storage out here. You can never have too much storage in an outdoor kitchen, so you can keep all your utensils, rubs, whatever you want in there. Just to the left here we've got the fridge. So this is a single fridge. It's a stainless steel fridge with a glass front, great for keeping all your drinks, your food cold. There is a double fridge version of that as well. Here we have the Traeger Timberline. So there's 2 sizes of this, the Timberline and there's the XL version. This is the Timberline version. So this is brilliant. So this runs on wood pellets. It's a pellet grill. You plug it in, so it does need power, and then you pour into the hopper here, you pour in the wood pellets, and that is the fuel for the barbecue. That then goes into a burner at the bottom that heats the barbecue and releases the smoke. So there's different flavors of pellets that you can get. Cherry, hickory, signature, lots of different flavors. That then smokes into the food, whatever you're cooking. It's like an oven, like an indoor oven. You can set the temperature to whatever you want. It comes with an app, which you can control from your phone. A really, really clever piece of kit. One of the great things about it as well is that it comes with this outdoor induction hob. So this is like an indoor induction hob, so you can use any cast iron pans, anything like that that will work on a conventional one. This will get really hot really, really quickly. So this is great for boiling things, frying things, also really good for searing steaks. Underneath here, so this is just a single stainless steel door. This just provides access to the underside there, plenty of storage in there. You keep your wood pellets in there, whatever you want. And then underneath there, we've got double stainless steel doors, which give you access to the underside of the Traeger. Obviously, you've got a release button underneath there for the pellets, if you want to get rid of the pellets. And also you've got the grease bucket underneath there as well. So you can access both of those through those doors there. So you also notice that this whole thing is underneath the pergola. So this pergola, I think, is 7.2 meters long by 3.6 meters wide. So plenty of space underneath here. When they get the table out here, this whole area will be undercover. You might notice actually that the legs are on these concrete pads here. So we created these 1, 2, 3, 4 concrete pads, 5 concrete pads, sorry, behind to lift the pergola up. And the reason we've done that is because up here, this sort of bay window here, I think it's about 2.6 meters to the top of it, which is just too high. We wanted the pergola to be fixed to the house, so the only way to do that was to lift the whole thing so that it goes over the top, and so that is why we've put all these concrete pads in there, bolted it down into those, and it now goes right into the house, so the whole area is completely watertight. So this really is an incredible space. You've got the kitchen area down here, you're going to have the dining area here, and then you've also got this sort of sitting area, chill out area over here. With this, I've got to say, this is amazing. This is like a Corten steel log burner. You can sit out here in the evening, relaxing, glass of wine with the fire on. What a place to relax. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. We try and release one of these videos at least once a week. So if you're interested in getting an outdoor kitchen, or you're looking for some ideas or inspiration, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and you'll get updated every time we bring out a new video. We also have Instagram, we have Facebook. So if you want to see what we're currently up to, head over there and give us a follow. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.